Everything is marketing from the initial time the intended audience hears about the product or service. Many people believe that there is one perfect way to market that appeals to just about anyone, and that's just not how it works. There are different personality types and methods to appeal to a certain audience a little bit more effectively. This gives you a chance to somewhat generalize audiences when performing face-to-face interactions. Marketing has vastly changed in the past couple of decades with the incorporation of social media and the internet. The primary marketing plans differ as a result of how you are broadcasting your presentation, whether face-to-face, over the internet, or even just passing it on the street on a billboard. Strategy and research, in my opinion, plays the most important role in a marketing position. Understanding and knowing how to appeal to that audience you are reaching is what generates the most return on investment during advertisements. Branding and understanding every false bias that a customer fears in their own head are big factors in getting your deal to close. This goes hand in hand with knowing every possible thing about your product and being able to present it in a way that has relevance to the intended customer. So this doesn't mean just reading out a bunch of specs about a computer. Nobody really cares about that. So just like, for example, if you were being talked to about needing a new TV and internet provider, because you would save a couple bucks a month and have 30 megabytes more on upload speed and things like that, they would just get confused and they would fear the change and not really see a big urge. They're a lot more likely to change if you find out they frequently struggle with lagging videos. So like if they have kids, I'm sure they came and talked to their parents like, our internet, I can't watch my Snapchats as fast as I want to. The Netflix keeps on lagging. Just little things like that that kind of tie it back into their life and how it would kind of impact them. So definitely address it kind of as a friend and just be genuine about it. Social media has become the largest place of advertising because you can refine the general descriptions of people that you're trying to reach. For example, if you are selling an ointment to fix wrinkles and clear baggage underneath the eyelids, a great category would be to target females with interest in makeup around the 50 to 65 range on any social media website, such as Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, even Twitter. I like to compare social media to like a pizza where every slice is a little bit different. There's no telling like what type of marketing strategy or pizza will work best for you until you've really like tried them all. Marketing plans don't always lead to sales, but with the proper planning, even the people that you reach will probably know somebody that's still interested. This is what makes leaving a great impression with people so important. This is similar to how we dress up nicely and are clean shaven for job interviews. We don't know if we're going to get the job, but we just want to put our best foot forward and look our best for that slim chance. Word of mouth advertisement is definitely the most powerful tool in marketing because people don't like buying things from strangers. They'd rather buy from someone that they see as their friend. It's very likely that you will reach a person with absolutely no need for your product or service. However, if you've created a lasting impression, it makes it much more likely to recommend to a friend and potentially make every interaction a positive one. Just gives you that slim possibility that sometimes you need. Establishing trust within a customer is crucial to leading to sales and effective marketing. From the first moment they hear about the product, everything is marketing and plays a large factor in how impactful the interaction is, such as building rapport, finding their hot buttons, or why they actually need the product, and leaving positive impressions on every single potential customer is key to having success in marketing.